A group of squamate reptiles are fascinating creatures that roam the land and capture our imagination with their unique characteristics. Firstly, lizards are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. This is why you may see them basking in the sun. Secondly, lizards have the ability to shed their skin, a process known as ecdysis. This helps them to grow and replace worn-out scales. Moreover, lizards are known for their remarkable ability to move quickly. Some species can run at high speeds, while others can even climb vertical surfaces with ease. In addition, many lizards have the unique ability to change color, a process called chromatophores. This helps them camouflage against predators and prey. Furthermore, lizards play vital roles in their ecosystems. They help control insect populations and pollinate plants. Some species are even kept as pets, making them popular among reptile enthusiasts. Lastly, lizards have been around for millions of years, with the first records dating back to the Jurassic period. Today, there are over 6,000 known species of lizards, each with its own unique qualities. Lizards are truly fascinating creatures, full of surprises and adaptability. Whether you find them in the desert, the rainforest, or your backyard, they are always worth a second look. Who knows, you might just discover something new about these amazing reptiles.